somebody gotta take care of me because I'm sick out. I think something going on because a lot of people I know sick. Started with my mother. Rush got sick, and I'm sick. That shit don't feel good.
You do sound good. Here you breathing, man. So I just made tea with a mixture of ginger, honey, and lime, and I also rub him down with this eucalyptus oil, his chest and his mole and his forehead. So about to drink the tea and hopefully he gets to fall asleep, and hopefully by tomorrow when he wakes up, you know, he's in better spirits and better health.
Yeah.
Lip white.
Right now I feel weak. The weakness kind of feel like when I get flu or COVID. I'm test negative for COVID.
But what's crazy though, guys, I must say, because I had it, right? And I was just exactly like this. I feel like when I was living in Jamaica and I got the flu, like the flu I got in Jamaica was a different caliber of flu than the flu I get here. Like it's totally different. Like this one, like
a flu, I would collapse your lungs.
Yeah, this one come for puncture you. This one come for put you under. Like it's so terrible. But we shall overcome. This too shall pass. And I'm getting better and he will get better as well. So we're just doing what we can do. In the meantime, while we wait on the tea to cool, I'm going to plan out my day for tomorrow. So this is what my digital planner looks like. It has a time slots online for me to fill out exactly what I'll be doing tomorrow, what I'm prioritizing, what I'm grateful for, and just general to-do things. So about to fill that out and then head to bed. I got my poor baby. Oh God, look there. Oh God. Say good night.
Night.
So it's the next day. Hello. Say hello. So we're at the doctor's office right now, and we're doing a, what do you call it? A drive up. So the doctor, we don't actually go into the office. The doctor comes out to us in the car. I don't know, kind of strange, but we'll see how that goes because baby's still not well. So hoping that he gets some medicine or something that can help to speed up the healing process. But we're there next day. How are you feeling?
Not great.
Oh gosh.
Better than last night though.
Yeah. I think the ginger tea might have worked a little bit and the eucalyptus oil, but we need some more to like speed it up because it needs to work like today. Yeah? Oh gosh. Anyway, soon come back. An interesting way to do medical exams.
Okay. And when did your symptoms start? Are you able to cough anything up? Is there color to it? Yellow?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just do COVID and flu. This is also going to do a flu. And let me grab your insurance card and I'm just going to go photocopy it for her. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
So you know, normally when you go to the doctor, them check like your blood pressure, your blood sugar, things like that.
Blood sugar?
Depending on what you're doing. They check your weight, your height. You know, like the nurse usually does like the preliminary checks, and then you see the doctor. Like they don't do that anymore. I feel like since COVID, everybody kind of just start doing like the shorthand way. 2023. Lovely people, it's like a million days later. It's actually Friday. It's Friday. It's Cinco de Mayo, and I don't know. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the afternoon. It is currently 6:24, 6:25. So we're considering to jerk some chicken Jamaican style on a grill, or to go out and eat. But we don't know. Should we go, and if we go out and eat, should we do like Mexican since it's Cinco de Mayo, or should we just eat something? I don't know. We're trying to figure it out. Sean's process of making decision is to flip a coin. Here's what we're up against. The grill is kind of dirty and needs cleaning. Do we want to clean it right now, or do we want to just go out and eat? What should we do?
And it's like a 50-50 decision. You do either of them, or I would do either of them. So when I get to this point, I always just flip a coin and go with what the universe says.
The coin.
The universe.
The universe.
Yes.
How hungry are you? How soon do you need to eat? Because if we're gonna jerk the chicken,
do an hour.
Do you think it's gonna take an hour to jerk to clean the grill, get the chicken, clean the chicken, season the chicken, and jerk the chicken? It's gonna be more than an hour.
The fire can start while I season the chicken. But
do you think we're gonna get to everything is what I'm asking.
Do I think I can get the chicken jerk in 1 hour now? But at the end of the day, for that I feel for me wait for it to cook.
I flip a coin.
How I usually do it is I do best out of 3. So if I get heads 2 times, then that's chicken. Alright? Let's go. And the universe is tail. 1 more time. Maybe 2. And the universe is tail. So we're gonna go out and get dinner.
But more and chicken.
You know you are, that's nice. Anyway, so we want jerk chicken, so we're most likely gonna
do it tomorrow.
Jerk chicken tomorrow.
No, we are going to. It was either today or tomorrow. So we're doing it tomorrow. So now the next question is,
we're at another roadblock. We decided that we're gonna eat out, and in this decision we're stuck between Chick-fil-A and it's Cinco de Mayo, so Mexican. And Chick-fil-A sounds good, Mexican sounds good.
So it's like so many decisions.
So back to what I do, we have lots of coins to flip.
Chick-fil-A's heads.
Tails. 2 tail, Mexican it is.
Alright, so the next roadblock is, do we go sit down and fine dine Mexican, or do we go
grab and go?
Grab and go type Mexican. Grab and go is head, fine dining is tails.
Boom, we got tails so far. And we got heads, tiebreaker. Heads.
Grab and go it is. Okay, we're going to a Mexican grab and go spot. So change of plans. We were inside in the line just now looking at the menu, and then we were like, not really feeling the menu. It's more like finger food, Mexican finger food, but I don't know. We decided to go somewhere else. And we don't know where we're going, but it's like, maybe this is not a stop. So I guess you're just gonna have to keep watching to see where we end up. Let's go. So we switch countries. we're not gonna bother with the Mexican food. Now we're at an Italian joint.
Hungry.
Sorry, let's go in. What is this called?
Rosales.
Rosales. I hope I'm not butchering the name. But unlike the Mexican place, this is very empty on the outside. But we just passed a really cool Mexican spot, so if this don't work out, we're going up there. So we're here. So all the flipping of coins that we went on with, I'm still chose something completely different. Your coins didn't work, huh? Look how much coin we flip. So we're at this restaurant. And I'm about to check out the menu. Never heard of it, never been here, but I'm gonna try something new, something different, something Italian. You know, we're kind of practicing for when we do go to Italy. Right?
Yeah.
What is it? How is it?
It's really creamy and different. I need to figure out what they do.
Yeah.
How they get it this creamy.
And it's pretty good too. Not bad. So far I give it like an 8/7. 7.5, 8 out of 10. What do you rate your pasta? Out of 10?
8
8
and a half.
8.5. Anyways, we're gonna go enjoy our meals now. So see you later. How you feeling?
Very full.
Guys,
Full.
guys,
Look at this.
it's really good. It tastes like home cooked. Mama's loving. I don't even know how to describe it. It tastes really good. Like I definitely recommend it. I know the spaghetti move up to 8.5. Try not to have dairy, but I had some Ashan's pasta. That's 10. Right now I'm on bus. Right now I'm going to sleep. Gonna go out in the town next.
And see what's happening.
See what-
Still think for them eye. Let me know if you ever been to Italy and what was your experience as far as food is concerned.
What's your favorite meal, dish, cuisine, dessert, whatever it is, let us know. We are done, guys, and I am feeling great. The food is great. I'm alive. Oh my god! And you know the good part?
You get to play food on the table.
What the feeling?
Go on feed, you say, yeah, take no shit. So, we'll have some leftover food. It's not a whole lot. Little bit of food, like some pasta and a half 3/4 meatball. And rest there for after a box. I'm saying, no, leave that alone, man. I don't want that. I want to eat again, different, fresh food. Cause I practice for rich. You see me, I'm not dead yet, but God tell me I'm almost there. So, I tell her, say, I'm not take the box. And she said, no what, we take the shame and get the box. She asked the lady for the box, lady bring the box, she pack up the 3/4 piece of meatball and some spaghetti and throw it on the box and the rest of the bread with them give it, right? Yeah, let me show you. See here? You don't believe me, look.
I don't have no shame. You know how much money we just pay for this? You guys still.
Alright, anyways, so it's not about the money. Like I say, I tell her, I say, I practice for rich because I go live a life where I go walk into them restaurant here, I go eat and if I 2 bites, I take out tight. I'm a belly full, I'm done, and the next time my belly hungry again, it's a different food I want. So, I rich me I practice for rich.
Yeah, and me I gotta therefore pack it up and carry it home because I not waste it no matter how rich I be. I not waste my money because I go hungry again later. And stay there. Right? Which is right.
Yeah, I go hungry again later with a fresh food, different food I want. I don't want the same pasta. I want, right now, later if I get hungry, I want lamb and asparagus.
I'm done. I don't know what. I'm done. Anyways, I'm alive. Turn it on a little bit. I'm alive. And you know what else is good? What else I love? It's the fact that it's getting warm now, warmer, so I can be outside in the night and I have a tank top and shorts on in the night. Even though I'm gonna put a light jacket because it's still not like extremely warm, but it's warmer than it has been all year, which I'm so happy about. As you guys know, still getting used to the seasons and the dressing and all of that. But anyways, we're going out in the town now, so see ya. What's it? Mexico galang there. Guys, look how the place is packed. We are downtown. The place is so packed. We had to park all the way around the back or up at one part. So now we have to be walking down into the action. The streets is happening and I'm liking it. Don't know where we're gonna end up. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to put up the camera at some point. So if you don't hear from me after this, make sure that you have a good night because I will. You guys have never seen this side of me and I'm not gonna show you too much. So
I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you, I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it.
I think she's a little bit crazy. Look at this.
Every time, with you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. You don't care about
6 tails.
You
You want pee?
Yeah.
You really want pee?
Yeah.
Let me give you a cup. You can pee in the cup. What's on my treasure keep? Come on.
Like we passing.
Look at it. No, you're not, but you can be now. Say hi.
Hello.
Good.
Yo soy el aventurero, la vida me importa poco. Cuando una mujer me gusta a pesar de todo. Me gustan las altas y las chaparritas.
Look here. Remember earlier, some people said I'm a practice rich, so they're not gonna have the food take away from the restaurant. Look who's eating it.
But if my wife bring home food for me, what am I for? That eat it?
Me never bring
I would have
home.
been disrespectful.
I did not bring home food for you. The food is mine. Because I'm not practicing rich. I'm rich. I'm not ashamed for bringing home the food.
I will only bring home food for yourself.
Yeah, the kind of wife where after her husband say, me no want to take out no food, me just eat piece of it and leave the rest. So, we're home. The battery just died. Had to put in a second battery. And right now, it was a fun night. Thank you guys for coming along. But the night is over for y'all. But it's just getting started for me. I joke. But shut up. We're about to go relax, watch a movie, Netflix and chill. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
I won't hesitate to burn you.
Sax is working with the feds.
They say this is a big rich town.
Yeah, baby. We are jerking. Sean is on the grill. And look who else is here.
Nobody but me, child.
Look, the chickens are ready. So we're just enjoying the evening really. It's a beautiful day, it's a warm day, so I'm happy about that. And we're just gonna chill and relax. And I'll see you guys later.
Trust me, we got the power to change the world. Need you to trust me. You will get no less than you deserve. Trust me, the thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me. This town ain't crazy, nobody guesses. It's the way you do your thing, yeah, you mesmerizing me. I'ma tell you how I